So here on my screen is a screenshot of Bybit tweets some yesterday. It says grass is coming soon to Bybit spot trading, listing on 28th of October, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. So this particular project called Grass is a project we did some months ago, and it's now cooking. Currently in the pre-market price, it's actually worth $1.1, I think, something close to it, something around it. It used to be $2, now it's $1.1. So we're anticipating it to list at least with $1.50 or more. So this particular project is called Grass. So if you're watching this video and maybe you have not come across this kind of project before, you missed Grass. But nevertheless, I actually want to drop an update that just look like that, because as you can see, Grass is cooking. 28th of this month marked the day. So Grass is cooking, and I actually dropped it on my Twitter, on my Telegram. All you have to do is to click on this particular place, this particular airdrop link. But before you do it, make sure you have downloaded Mrs. Browser. So copy this particular link over here and head to your Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser, depending on the browser you want. So the best one is Mrs. browser. So go ahead and download Mrs. browser. Then copy this link just as like I said, and head to your Mrs. browser. Is to make sure you have you download this Mrs. browser. This is browser called Mrs. browser. So you can see it in your in any place you download your apps, maybe Play Store, Apple Store, wherever. So that is for you guys using phone. So the next thing you have to do is to paste this link you copied from my channel, and then click on it. It's going to take you over to this particular place. It's going to look like this. So the next thing you have to do after the site is done loading and every other thing is to click on this place that says add to Chrome. Look at it, add to Chrome. So click on add to Chrome. This is the first thing. You have successfully added this particular NodePay extension to your browser, like in your Mrs. browser. So this is the first step to doing your Mrs. browser. So look at it, it's now showing NodePay dashboard. Really enter this particular site again, this site over here, and if you enter the next link from my channel, it's going to take you over to this particular site, this particular dashboard. Now the next thing for you is to click on register here, because you don't have an account. So click on register here, you enter your email. I'm gonna enter any email of my choice. Yeah, this is it. Then username, my name is always King, and then make sure you don't have in space while registering. The next thing is to create a password for yourself, and make sure the password have one lowercase, one special character, one uppercase, and 8 character minimum. You have to make sure you enter the referral code, which is showing in the screen or in the description of this video, and then next thing you have to do is to click on register, and then it's going to register you, and then you can also save your password. Go ahead and log into your account. So after solving the captcha, click on remember me for easy access, and then click on access my account. It's going to log you into your account right now. So this is NodePay dashboard, and it's now loading. After you are done logging in, the first thing you are going to do is to try your best to click on this extension icon there, and then go over to this particular NodePay. Click on NodePay extension. It's going to log you to the NodePay extension itself. Then click on activate. So as you can see now, it's now activated. 100 points for each successful referral or whatever. So as you can see now, my make sure that it's activated and it's in roads connected. So as you can see, my network is writing 97%, and I'm doing great. So do this now. This is the where it got interesting. Use one account, multiple devices. I repeat, one account, multiple devices. If you have system, do it. If you have a friend that is not in the crypto space, just try your best to download this particular app in their account, this particular Mrs. browser, just the way you do in your phone, and log in with the same email, so that whenever they are using data, it's going to be counting for you. That is the first phase. Then after activating your account, go back and you see the way that says daily treasure claim. So you can see what you said, daily treasure claim. Click on claim 100, and as you can see, I've actually received 100 NodePay points. This is what you are going to be doing every day. This is just the daily earning points. So I've actually claimed today's own. So it says you can also click on view all mission. You see 7 days streak is going to give you extra 400, and 24 hours connection is going to give you 24,000, 2,000 400 NodePay. So this is network connection, successful invite, this and that. As you can see, I just created this account new and nothing else I've done there. So you can actually connect your Twitter account, connect your Discord, verify your email, follow NodePay on Instagram, on Twitter, follow them on Discord, knowledge quest, answer their knowledge quest and other things. So you can do all these things and earn more points. So this is their dashboard. You can also check out their referral system and every other thing. So this is my first time in this video. Try your best to do all the things that is required for you. So as you can see, my total earning now is 158 Node points. So remember, as I said, one account, multiple device. That is how you can do it until the listing. So we are expecting it to get done, the whole AirDrop to get done by next year and everything. So this is it. Just like I said, this is my first time making video on this particular project, and this is the only information I need to give you guys now. Try your best, do what is required, and be earning new points on it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more updates, because whenever there's an update, I'm going to alert you guys. So see you guys on my next video. Remember, my name still remains to be King, and this is NodePay Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.